Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahad. I am a student of MCS. My student ID NC15020274456. This is the third assignment of web development and programming, and the assignment is about the life cycle of the servlet. So the life cycle of servlet has three primary parts. One is the initiation, one is the servicing and the call of the servlet, and the third one is the destructor or destroying of the servlet. I will explain these three sections individually in each slide. The first call is the introduction about the servlet. The servlet is a class which is used to do some specific HTTP or HTTP based connection to our web server and serve the request or serve the logic what has been written. The second stage in the servlet lifecycle is the service. What is the service? All of the logic code and code have been written inside it to process the data. What is the purpose? It has been initiated by the web server. Logic has been executed in this service area, and the data has been formatted and retransmitted back via the web server to the client. Internally, service determines which type of request is coming, which is HTTP, and accordingly it serves the methods based on the do get or do post and similar, whichever is required. So here the service section is completed. Third part of a servlet, which is called unloading the servlet, or the method provided is called the destroy method. Same like the initiation method, it's used once in a life cycle of the servlet, because once it has been executed, it can mark and close all the possible DB connection if it has been opened, write the data which is available to the disk or wherever it is appropriate, and once that call has been initiated, it has been marked, the servlet has been marked for the garbage collection. So when the garbage collector will run, it can take it out and throw out of the memory. Here, the three section of the servlet has been completed, and this here ends the life cycle of a servlet. So here comes to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your time.